Your YouTube watch history might not be updating, and this small issue can completely mess up your recommendations without you realizing it. Many users face this problem but don't know the exact reason behind it. If your history is missing or not showing at all, you need to fix it fast. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to solve this issue and restore your history properly. First, we're going to open the YouTube app, and then from here, you're just going to tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then from there, you're going to head over to settings by tapping on the gear or like the cog wheel icon at the top right, and then you're going to scroll down and then you're going to click on manage all history. Now from this, you're going to make sure that the option that says pause watch history is turned off, or you're going to look at the search history. You're going to head over to controls at the middle tab, and then from here you can see this YouTube history. Just make sure that that is on and not turned off. If it is turned on, then your history will be saved. If it is turned off, your history will not be saved. So just make sure that to toggle it on to start recording your watch history again. Now also, you're going to check that you're signed into your YouTube account and you are not browsing on incognito mode, because if you're browsing in incognito mode or as a guest, YouTube will not save any history. So you're just going to tap on your profile picture, and then you're going to make sure that it doesn't say guest or no account. You're just gonna have to sign in first. Now, if history is still not updating, you're going to clear the app cache. So if you're using iPhone, you're just gonna head over to your phone settings from right there, and then from there you're going to select general. So just click on general, and then you're going to head over to iPhone storage, and then from iPhone storage you're going to click on YouTube, and then from there you're just going to offload the app. So just click on offload app, and you're going to reinstall it once again. Now this removes temporary files that may be causing the app to behave incorrectly, and you can just reopen YouTube and check if your history starts updating. And then make sure your YouTube app is also up to date by going into Play Store or App Store and then checking for any available updates. So if you can see update from the bottom and not open, then that means that there are updates that you still have to install. So install them if there are any pending. If the problem continues, just open your browser and then head over to myactivity.google.com. So we're just going to head over here, and then from there you are going to head over and sign in with your Google account and look for the YouTube activity. If nothing is showing here either, just go to data and privacy right here, and then you're going to scroll down to your history settings, or like this YouTube history settings right here. Toggle it on if it was disabled, and your history should start saving again. And that's it. That is how you're going to fix YouTube history not showing or updating.